Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Settings so you can remove the back tap screenshot quickly. Tap Settings, then use the top search box and type Back Tap or Accessibility. Once found, open Accessibility to reach interaction controls. Make sure you're on the main account and not a guest profile. You need to be in the Accessibility or Advanced Features area to proceed. This is the only reliable route to change gesture bindings and avoid screenshots triggered by the rear tap. You should now see Back Tap or Quick Tap listed under Interaction Gestures. Tap that entry, and you'll see actions assigned to 1 or 2 taps. Select the assigned action that says Screenshot and change it to Off or None. Alternatively, pick another action you prefer. Tap back to confirm, and make sure both single and double tap rows show no screenshot assignment. Once done, the camera or screenshot shortcut will no longer trigger from the phone's rear. Finish by testing the change. Tap the back the same way that used to create screenshots. If nothing happens, you're done. If the screenshot still appears, reboot the phone to clear gesture services, then recheck the back tap setting. If it still triggers, inspect any third-party apps with gesture or accessibility permissions and disable or uninstall them because they can override system settings. If all else fails, reset accessibility defaults, but only after backing up any custom settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.